Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website on your browser in OPPO Reno10 Pro. And to do this, let's launch our Google Chrome, and here if we try to refresh any already opened website or reach new one like YouTube right here, we have this problem. To fix it, we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Here enter date and time and make sure that the set time is automatic. Now we can go back to the browser and try to refresh any website that we've tried to open. And now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.